What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I've partnered with Amazon to answer a question that I know a lot of you have. What is the Amazon Glow and what does it do? The Amazon Glow is Amazon's first device that was built specifically for kids to help them connect with their family and friends in a new way. It's unlike anything that I've ever used in my home, and my kids absolutely love it. I was lucky enough to experience the Glow early at the end of last year. You might have seen it in my Alexa tips and tricks video, but since then they've added some new features since it's now available to the masses. It was invite only for a little while, but now you can pick it up at an incredible price, and I don't think this will last long, so I'll leave a link down below so you can check current pricing. If you have children and their friends and family live in another state, then pay attention because the Amazon Glow is really neat. The Amazon Glow is an all-in-one connected device with everything that you need built in. There's an 8-inch touchscreen display that is very easy to use, and above that, there is a front-facing camera to enable interactive video calls. There is a built-in 10-watt speaker as well that sounds great. There are also 4 microphones total, so the audio is crisp and clear. I do love the fact that there's a huge switch on the side to enable privacy whenever your child needs it, so this blocks the camera and shuts off the microphones just with a simple slide. The setup is also super easy to get started. All you need to do is plug in, lay the white mat down that comes included in the box on a flat surface for the projection to go on. There is a notch there so you know exactly where to put it, and the logo should be in the upper right corner. Just turn it on and it will prompt you through the setup, so you'll be up and running in no time. This is an interface that's easy to use for children, but ultimately you as the parent have the control. You get to choose what family members or friends interact with them. You have to add people through the Glow app, so you don't have to worry about strangers being able to call the device. And I appreciate the profile pictures being big and easy to recognize, so all they have to do is pick the picture of the person they want to talk to and a video call is initiated. We can make video calls through our phones, our tablets, and our Echo devices, so that's not the best part. What makes the Amazon Glow so unique is that it uses a combination of projection, video, and sensing tech to make the experience more interactive. The person on the other side interacts as well, so playing games, reading books, and completing puzzles feels collaborative, and that's what's missing from an ordinary video chat. My kids actually sit down to spend time and talk to their family members this way. I don't know about you, but when I FaceTime or video call my family members, my kids are usually around for about 30 seconds to a minute to say hi, and then they just disappear to do something else, so it's impossible for me to keep them still. But with these interactive activities, they stay engaged and have tons of fun, so again, this has changed the way that my family stays connected. So there were a ton of questions that I had before I owned the Amazon Glow, so let me tell you the things that you need to know. First question I had is, if you buy the Glow device, does the person on the other side need a Glow as well? The answer is no. All they need is the Amazon Glow app. When you install it and go through the setup process, just choose the second option here, and they will need an Amazon account to make this work. The compatibility is awesome because they can use a smartphone or tablet of any kind, iOS or Android, and this is what it looks like. I am using the Amazon Fire HD 10 Plus, but you can also use an iPad, so it's totally up to you. You can see what they're doing right here and interact with the same content, so you can play games with them, read their bedtime stories, flip the page or highlight the words, or just draw with them, so you don't need 2 glows to make this work, which I think is awesome. The second question I had is, how does the projection look and how responsive is it? I'm happy to tell you that the projection looked much better than I thought it would. It's very bright and colorful thanks to the white mat that you lay down before you use it. It doesn't matter if you're using it during the day or night. It's definitely bright enough for daytime use, so no worries about that. And while there is a slight learning curve to some of the games and exactly where to touch, it's pretty responsive, and I think you'll be just as surprised as I was when I first started using it. I can't lie, at first I had my doubts, but overall, it's a solid experience. What I do like is over time they are adding new features. Recently they added a slider in the settings to control the brightness of the projection, which is nice, so this will make it easier on the eyes if they're using this at night. The third question I had is exactly what is available on the Amazon Glow, and are my kids going to get tired of it quick? My answer is there is a ton of content on this, and it will take them a while to get through all of it. There is so much to dig into. The Glow comes with 1 year of Amazon Kids Plus that includes content from Disney, Mattel, Nickelodeon, and Sesame Workshop. At this time, there are more than 100 games and activities, with more being added all the time. Here are some of my kids' favorites. They love playing Guess the Cup game, where you shuffle the ball around and you have to guess which cup it's in. It's simple, I know, but this will bring hours of fun or tears. I guess it all depends on your kids. Tons of classic games here too, like chess, checkers, and Go Fish. I kind of love this shooter game. It reminds me of Asteroids. I don't know why I find this so fun, but next thing I know, a half an hour went by, so it is what it is. And there is this cool scanning feature. You can put down any object, toy, or drawing down, and it will scan it and turn it into an image that's interactive. My son found it amusing forever, so I'm sure that your kids will have a ton of fun with it. He was just scanning his poppets and fidgets, and he thought it was the coolest thing ever.
Oh!
And if your kids love solving puzzles, the tangram bits are also super cool. This brings physical objects into the projected space, so it brings another element into the puzzle solving. And what's great is the person on the other side can help solve the puzzle, so this is like having someone in the same room with you, so you can see how this is so different than just a normal video call. So why would you even consider the Amazon Glow? What are the real world use cases? There are so many, but a few come to mind. Let's say that you're a parent that travels a lot for work. I understand this heavily, so if you want to spend some time with them before they go to sleep or read them their bedtime story while you're on the road, this is perfect for that. They can follow along while you are reading to them, and there is a variety of books to choose from, even animated books, which I think is neat. There are so many books here, you can definitely find something that your child likes. You can use rainbow pointers to keep them engaged, or you can use word bubbles to make it even easier to read and follow along. The next scenario that I can think of are military families where one of the parents are deployed, and I'm sure it's really hard to be separated for that long extended period of time, but the Amazon Glow can be a great tool for you to stay involved from a distance. I can see parents loving the educational games on here like ABC Bubbles and ABC Charades that can make learning fun and interactive. You don't have to miss a part of their development. Then after education, you can have a little fun. There are so many two-player games. There are classics, but there are also a lot of different choices to keep things fresh. But my kids love to draw and color, so just being able to do activities like this while being on a video call with them is engaging and more than likely increase that time that you have with them virtually. The last one I can think of is just playing with their friends. So let's say that a best friend moves away or you just miss them and you can't have that play date. You just turn this on and you can play games with them so you can see the potential. My kids like to keep up with their family on the Amazon Glow since they do live several states away. It's actually nice having the camera in one place so they aren't running around the entire house trying to show them everything. For me, anything that helps increase the quality of family time hits different for me. If the last few years taught us anything, you never know what can happen, and a lot of families are separated by distance, and this can help them all stay closer connected. It brings a unique way of interacting together in real time, and I think that you will enjoy it once you get your hands on it. So that is the Amazon Glow, and I hope I answered some of the questions that you might have had. If you're interested in this, I think the Amazon Glow is a great piece of technology to consider if you have children. When I first got this last year, I must admit the price was a little bit overwhelming, but Amazon is running a killer deal on it right now, so I'll leave a link down below. I would jump on it quick. And the best part is if you do invest, you don't have to worry because it comes with a 2-year worry-free guarantee. If it breaks within that time frame, you return it and you'll get it replaced for free. So that's awesome. If you own an Amazon Glow already, then I would like to know, how has it worked for your family and has it changed the way that you stay connected from a distance? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to hear your stories. Hit that thumbs up for family, subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next one.